and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will be making a leave-in that I will be putting in my hair today for half an hour, and this is a combination of some of my favorite ingredients. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. Okay, so the first thing that's on this table is my spritz bottle, which I actually got from one of our pound shops. It was £1.49, and I think it's so cute. It's just a normal spray bottle, but I think it's just really cute with the pink. So you'll need some warm water in a spray bottle to start off to spray your hair with, to obviously give the product something to work with. Next up is my favorite hair mayonnaise, and that's from Africa's Best, and it cost me £3.99, so you will need some of that as well if you want to create this recipe. Then my trusted Hello Hydration by Herbal Essences, again you can get this for £2. My Fenugreek powder and my aloe vera powder, some hot water and a bowl, and I'm just going to go ahead and mix all of these ingredients in. There you have it, 1, 2, 3, 4 ingredients, and obviously water. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get about a teaspoon of this fenugreek powder and a teaspoon or half a teaspoon of the aloe vera powder, and I'm going to just combine them in the hot water first. Before I continue my video, I just wanted to have a plant break and show you what's going on in my garden. I did say after 8,000 subscribers my channel will be having various content. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to create a second channel or I'm going to include some of it here. My interest is at I love to grow plants. I really love to grow plants, and here is one of the most beautiful blooms. I think it's an iris. I could be wrong. It might not be an iris. I actually got it from Poundland, but it's like my favorite, my absolute favorite color of yellow, and it's not showing up so much on the camera, but it's really vibrant and it's gorgeous. So that is today's plant. Isn't it gorgeous? Wow. So here is my nice bowl of porridge. Just joking. Here is my mixture that I made earlier, and it's been sitting for about half an hour, and it's ready to go into my hair. I won't be able to film all of it because my tripod is currently broken, and I'm not going to be, but you will see the product in my hair. I'm going to first add the spritz and then put the product in. Here's my flower and here's my hair. The product is on now, and I'm going to let that sit for about half an hour. I'm going to cover it with a plastic bag.